Hello everyone and welcome to this Travelex Travel Insurance review, where we'll be talking about the coverage, the costs, and some key insights to help you know more about Travelex Insurance. So Travelex has been providing travel insurance for over 25 years and it's based in Omaha, Nebraska. They offer various plans to cover different traveler needs. When it comes to the coverage, Travelex Insurance has three main plans on offer. You have the Essential, Advantage, and Ultimate. The Essential is a budget-friendly plan with essential coverage. The Advantage is a mid-tier plan with more coverage and higher benefit limits. And the Ultimate is the most customizable plan with the most options, including cancel for any reason and adventure activities. The Ultimate is covered up to $250,000 in medical coverage and up to $50,000 in trip cancellation. There is a $75,000 coverage on trip interruption and up to $2,000 travel delay and up to $2,000 in baggage coverage. With the Advantage, you have up to $50,000 in medical coverage, up to $10,000 in trip cancellation, $12,500 in trip interruption, and $1,000 in travel delay, and $1,000 in baggage coverage. For the Essential, you have up to $25,000 in medical coverage, up to $10,000 in trip cancellation, $10,000 in trip interruption, and up to $600 in travel delay. You also have a $750 baggage coverage. Now, while we might not go into the specifics of the cost because it depends on what you're choosing and the specifics, we can see that the Advantage plan is described as offering a comprehensive protection at a great price, and the Essential is an economic option. As with any service, we will like to let you know about the pros and the cons. And starting with the pros, customer service. There are positive experiences reported with helpful and polite customer service representatives. Claim processing speed. We have reports from customers who were impressed with the speed of claim processing and payment. Coverage satisfaction. There is a general satisfaction with the coverage provided, particularly in situations involving medical emergencies and trip cancellations. Plan variety. Now, we mentioned the Essential, Advantage, and Ultimate, and these different options does suit different needs and budgets, so you're more likely to find a plan that suits your needs. Customization. The Ultimate plan, as we mentioned earlier, offers cancel for any reason and adventure activity options. This is great if this is what you're into. Now with the cons. While there were some positive reviews on the claim processing speed, we also have customers who've experienced delays in claim processing. And then when it comes to the claim amount versus the premium, just a few have mentioned that the amount for their claim was less than the cost of the insurance premium paid. Overall, Travelex Insurance Service has an overall rating of 4.43 out of 5, and this is a good rating. Customer reviews generally indicate positive experiences with customer service and coverage, but of course, you might come across some reports about issues with the claim processing delays. We hope at this point you have enough information on Travelex Travel Insurance, so let us know if this was helpful and thanks for watching.